Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be 24 hours with a newborn. So I'm starting off this video at 7:30 a.m. Literally just woke up, sitting here with my cute little baby. I wanted to kind of do like a day in my life video and just show you guys basically like 24 hours with a newborn baby. And today's video is actually also sponsored by LG. They sent me their LG dual screen phone and it's super helpful for... Are you talking? It is so awesome because there are 2 screens, so you can be doing 2 things at once, which is so helpful, especially when you have a new baby and you're trying to multitask and get things done. So I'm super excited to show you guys my favorite ways to use it. But first thing I'm going to do today is feed my baby. I try to feed her every 3 hours starting at 7 a.m. but she actually woke up at 5:30. She slept from 10:30 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. so I'm not really sure if she's gonna be super hungry right now because it's only been 2 hours. But I'm gonna try to feed her because I do try to keep her like feeding times as close to those times as I can. Hi Bubba, did you sleep so good? Before I feed her, I'll show you guys what my room looks like in the morning. A little bit of a mess. I'm gonna change her diaper. We always use these little changing mats that I showed in my essentials video. Got my wipes, got my diaper. You ready?
A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away.
Okay guys, so it is now 8:30. I always lay Coke down in her bassinet for her first nap of the day so that I can like get some stuff done. So lately, now that I am at 6 weeks postpartum and I can actually work out, I have been either going to the gym or I actually just barely started doing some workouts at home. I did a leg workout yesterday. You guys, I literally cannot move. Everything is so painful. So today I'm not doing a workout. I'm actually just gonna be like stretching because I literally cannot move. But something that I can do is my stretches and watch Cove on my baby camera. So this is the LG dual screen phone. So you guys can see I have my baby monitor on one side so I can keep an eye on her. And then I also have my workout app on the other side. So today I'm doing a lower body stretch. Usually I will try to get a little workout done and then also clean up a few things. You can see it's not way messy, but it definitely needs to like be cleaned up. There's literally a random diaper right here. But anyways, I can see she's not quite asleep yet, but it looks like she is literally falling asleep as I'm saying this. I'm going to pick up, stretch, and then probably make some breakfast.
And you're off my radar now. I've lost you. Yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you. But you're off my radar now. I've lost you. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Okay guys, it's currently 10:18 a.m. I'm waking her up a little bit late because we needed to like make our bed and stuff. Still have a few things I need to finish cleaning over here. But it's time to wake her up. Hi sis. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, those baby stretches are the best, huh? Okay, so I came into Cove's room. I'm planning on doing a nursery tour soon, but I'm actually going to be changing a couple things. So that'll be up in a couple weeks. I'm going to get her dressed for the day. Oh, hi, puppy. So this is her PJ drawer. Actually, should she wear... maybe she should wear this. Okay guys, so it is now 11:08. I've been trying to film this clip for like 10 or 15 minutes, but she was a very sad baby. She was crying and she did not want me to put her down. She did not want to be sitting down. She wanted to be standing up, sitting like this. Are you sad, Bubba? So I feel like I spend almost like an hour feeding her usually, and then half the time I time it to like know how long she's actually eating, and it's like under 10 minutes I feel like, but she just likes to take a long time. It's been a little bit less than an hour since I started. So usually after I feed her, I try to keep her awake for a little bit and then put her back down for a nap, and I'm actually gonna be putting her in her crib for a nap today. She doesn't nap in here too often just because she's either napping like usually in her bassinet or she takes a nap on me, but I have so much work to get done today, so I do need her to take 2 naps in like her crib and her bassinet. I'm going to take her downstairs. I have a little play mat for her and I'm gonna see if she will play on that. She might not want to, and she might just want mom to hold her for a minute, but we're gonna try that. We're gonna try and do a little bit of tummy time, so we're gonna go downstairs. Kobe, do you not want to lift up your head? Papa, it's tummy time. This is the little play mat that I have for her. It has all these like fun, colorful things for as she gets bigger. But right now, what I'm supposed to do is just show her these cards. Babies really like things like this, like little babies. They like really contrasty images. So I have these set up for her and I show them to her. She usually will lift up her head and practice getting her neck stronger, huh? Numa, are you trying to hang out? Are you trying to hang out with baby sis? You're right in the way. I was gonna show you guys this other toy. I got this little toy for her in the KiwiCo Panda Crate. Usually I like to kind of just like prop it up like this for her. It has a bunch of like different sides and like fun things for her to look at. Bubba, are you sleeping? Okay, she looks really tired. I'm gonna just go lay her down for another nap.
We're just good friends, but like lovers. All the weekend.
Okay, so she's swaddled in her crib, took out the pillows and the animals, took off her headband so it doesn't like fall on her when she's sleeping. Moved the camera up here, got the white noise going. It's 11:25 right now. She usually naps at 11:30, so you're good, Bubba. Have a good nap. I love you. Okay, so it is now at 12. Cove is napping. I just curled my hair really quick and changed my outfit. Parker can finally be in the video. He told me not to film him because his hair wasn't done.
Yeah.
He just got a new haircut.
Couldn't be filmed until I got done. It's not looking right though. I couldn't get the right volume, you know?
Oh, I think it looks okay.
It doesn't look quite
Looks
right.
pretty cute. So right now I have some clothes from my online clothing store. Usually I'll bring home like a basket of clothes with me and then kind of like shoot content for our Instagram or emails or whatever. So I have on this sweater from there and these shorts, and we're just going to snap a couple of pictures really quick.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the
Okay, so it is now 12:32. Parker just made us some lunch, some salad, and some sweet potato. And I'm really trying to get these photos done before Cove wakes up. I have the baby monitor on one screen and then Lightroom on the other screen so that I can edit my photos really quick. And it really is so nice to be able to see Cove because earlier her binky fell out and she was kind of like moving around a little bit and starting to wake up, but she wasn't actually like making any noise, so we couldn't hear her. But we could see on the phone that she was awake, so Parker ran up and like put her binky back in her mouth and she didn't fully wake up, which is nice because I'm not ready for her to wake up yet because I want to get these pictures done. So that is what I'm currently doing, multitasking. I was just sitting here editing my video, actually this video that you guys are watching, but I'm gonna go up and get her. I also still have these balloons up from when we had a birthday party for Luma. If you guys saw that vlog, it was her first birthday, so of course we had to throw a party. Good morning. Hi, baby. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, it is now 1:18. Cove ate for like maybe 5 minutes.
She just needed a dad break and then she's gonna eat some more.
Yeah, we'll see. So she does not always just like perfectly eat and follow her schedule. Yesterday she also skipped 2 of her naps. So today, this week is like super busy, so I'm glad that she has napped today. But Parker's gonna hang out with her and I'm gonna get back to editing my video, and then when she's hungry again, I will feed her.
For your baby love, hot, 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 hot. For your baby love, hot. For your baby love, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Baby, don't you know? There's a remedy,
Okay guys, it is now 7 p.m. Okay, she's sad. We're just gonna put her in the bath and let her relax.
There's nothing cuter than a baby fresh out of the tub. How cute. Oh, I've got the hiccups. Just like her.
Okay, Kobe is fresh out of the bath. I also put on her Halloween PJs. I got these from Target and I think they're so funny. They have little pumpkin feet. These are also the bath products I like to use on her. Tubby Todd lotion, little ointment, and then we use their body wash too. And they're super good and smell super yummy. Do you wanna go snuggle? Okay guys, so it is currently 8:50 p.m. After Cove had her bath, I fed her again. She ate 2 extra times today. I try to feed her every 3 hours, kind of on a schedule, but obviously if she like wants to eat at another time during the day, then like I feed her. But most of the time she just eats like every 3 hours, and today she ate 2 extra times. So I think she is like extra hungry today or something, but she's just sleeping on mama. I always like to have her sleep on me for her last little, like, this isn't really a nap, she's kind of like asleep for the night, but I also wake her up at 10 again to feed her. So I always like to just spend this last like couple hours of the day holding her. And I've actually been watching our new vlog and scrolling through Pinterest. I always watch our vlogs before they go up. Parker edits them and then brings them to me to kind of like finish the whole thing, but once they're actually uploaded, I always like to watch them. So I have been watching our vlog and scrolling through Pinterest. This phone really is so great for multitasking. Like, this is so nice. But I think that's going to be it for what I film today. Basically, we're just gonna sit like this until 10 p.m. Then I'll feed her again. Maybe I'll film a little clip when I like put her in bed. I need to charge the camera though. The battery's dead. Okay guys, wait, I literally just went to go Google something and the YouTube video stays up on the corner, which is so awesome. So you kind of have like, oh, hello Luma. You can kind of do 3 things at once. Okay guys, so it is now the next day at 9 a.m. So I have officially been vlogging for over 24 hours. So I actually forgot to film in the night when she woke up at like 4:30 because I was literally like half awake. But she did wake up at 4:30. Also just realized my necklace is really tangly. Also just realized I'm not wearing a shirt. This is literally a nursing bra. Anyways, so then I fed her again at 7 and now she's down for her nap, and basically I'm just doing the same thing I did yesterday. Did a little workout, did some cleaning. So that is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching 24 hours, kind of like day in the life with a newborn baby. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.